Wrenches, bolts, and super glue, they fixed it up just like new. A light went out, the room was dark. They grabbed new bulbs and gave a spark. They wore their hats and climbed up high. Screwdriver ready, oh my, oh my! The fan was stuck, it wouldn't spin, but they knew just how to begin. They tightened screws and checked the wire. Now it spins and won't expire. Fixing things is what they do, with patience, tools, and thinking too. They help the world run day and night. Tiny fixers make it right. Fix it fast, don't let it wait. Tiny hands that fix things great. Tools in hand and plans in mind. Problem solvers, smart and kind.